I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, catch with a mouse. First, let's get your setup right. Your primary objective in Asu, catch, is to skillfully maneuver your character to collect all the falling fruit. Begin by adjusting your mouse DPI to a comfortable setting, often around 400 to 800, to ensure precise control. Also, find a mouse grip that feels natural and allows for swift, unimpeded horizontal movements across your mousepad. Now, let's master your mouse movement. The key is to develop smooth, horizontal motions to guide your catcher. For individual fruit, use small, precise adjustments rather than large, sweeping movements. Think of it as gliding your mouse across the pad with controlled precision. Consistent practice will help you build muscle memory for these quick, accurate movements, ensuring you catch every single piece of fruit. Moving on to advanced techniques. Experiment with your in-game sensitivity to find what works best for various beatmap speeds. For rapid horizontal travel, integrate keyboard dashing alongside your mouse movements. This combination offers superior speed. Additionally, enabling raw input in your settings can provide a more direct and responsive connection between your mouse and the game, potentially enhancing your precision and overall control. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Begin with easier beatmaps to solidify your fundamental catching skills and build confidence. Initially, focus on achieving high accuracy and precise timing rather than chasing high scores or extreme speeds. Regular, dedicated practice sessions, even short ones, will significantly improve your muscle memory, reaction time, and overall performance in Asu. Catch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.